In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn the camera flash on, off, or how to set it to auto flash on your Android phone. For this video, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy, but these instructions should apply to most Android phones. So first, what you want to do is open the camera app. Then next, on your camera app, look for a lightning icon. This represents the flash feature. So as you can see, I found the lightning icon right here. So what you want to do is tap on it, and you should be given the options for camera flash. As you can see, mine has been selected to no flash, which means a lightning with a strike through, meaning that whenever I take an image, flash doesn't come on. To set it to flash, look for the one that doesn't have a strike through, like for example this one, and tap on it, and you should notice now whenever you take an image, the flash automatically appears. So any image you're taking, whether it's in the dark or there's a lot of light, the flash will always appear. If you want to set it to auto flash, which is where the camera flashes a light if it's in a dark area, just tap on the same icon and then select a lightning bolt with an A. Now, whenever you're in the dark or whenever there is not enough light, then your camera will automatically provide light before taking an image. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.